Hi, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble this HP Officejet 6500. If you ever need to get into the machine, okay, there is a couple of tricks that I need to show you to stop you from breaking anything. First, the back of each hinge is a cover that pops out. That cover is what limits the machine to open at that angle. If you remove that cover, it will be able to flip up 90 degrees and will give you access to the screws that you need to get to. You do not have to strip anything from the fax or from the scanning. Okay, so just pry out. Okay, it's just got a couple of clips. Okay, so once you remove those covers, it will allow you to flip the lid past that angle to 90 degrees, which will give you access to these screws here. Okay, just be aware that the scanner lid, when at 90 degrees, it doesn't flip over and break something. Okay, so once you've removed all the screws around here, there is this side cover has to come off. There is another screw hidden behind this cover. This cover has to come off. There is a cable going down from this cover here, which there's a switch here which tells the printer when the cover is open and closed. So we have to unplug that switch from the board. Okay. The cover on this side here is just clips. Okay, it goes around the front. And here is the other screw that you need to take out. This side panel comes off on the back. There's a screw on the back here. Slide in the direction of the screw. That'll come off. Okay, so unplug the cable which goes down to the board. And then you'll have access to your carriage, and you'll have access to the head cleaning mechanism here. Okay, this particular model, something jammed in the mechanism here, and it broke part of the mechanism here on the outside. Okay, if anybody's got a printer that they're not using and they want to sell me that mechanism, give me an email on my site. Okay, just the gearing on the outside here. Alright, so there's a few tips how to get into one of these, and although this is not a fix, this video will save you time, showing how to take it apart and save you from breaking any clips or anything. Okay, so thanks for watching.